Welcome to our channel where we dive into the world of measurement tools. In this episode, we're going to be discussing one of the most essential tools for carpenters and blacksmiths, the measuring tape. Measuring tapes are used to measure length in meters and centimeters, making them a must-have for any project that requires precision. They come in varying lengths of 10 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters or 100 meters, allowing you to measure anything from a small craft project to a large construction site. Measuring tapes are typically made of thin and long strips of cotton, metal, or plastic. This design allows them to be flexible yet sturdy enough to withstand frequent use in different environments. Additionally, measuring tapes are marked in both centimeters and inches, making them versatile for any project, regardless of the measurement system used. Whether you're a professional carpenter or DIY enthusiast, a measuring tape is an essential tool in your kit. So, next time you need to measure something accurately, reach for your trusty measuring tape and get the job done right.